In this video, we're going to learn about how we can use Bitquery Solana APIs to get data around Orca DEX. All the API links and Bitquery Telegram channel link will be in the description. Navigate to id.bitquery.io and register first as a developer to get free points to run queries. I have already done that, so I am going to directly jump on the API examples involving Orca DEX. You guys should use this API builder on the left. It's a nice tool to create APIs very easily. We're going to see two example APIs around OrcaDex. First one will be get latest liquidity pools created on OrcaDex in real time. Second one will be get Orca OHLC data for a specific pair in real time. Make sure this is EAP. EAP stands for Early Access Program. EAP currently has only real time data. So to get the data on latest liquidity pools, firstly we need to know which program method is used to initialize new pools on Orca. For that, I'm going to write an API which gives me all the methods of OrcaDex program. To get all the methods, select Solana, then instructions, and in that we need to specify which program address methods we need. We are going to set where condition. We need to specify program address in this, which is going to be OrcaDex address. And then select the attributes you need info on. We're going to select instruction, then program, and then method. This will give us each instance where any of the method of the program was involved. So we group the same methods using count. And now this API will give us number of times each method was invoked. You can run this query and you can see the result. So we got this initialize pool, and this is the method to initialize new pool. You can also verify this through Orca's GitHub. Now moving on to our first API, getting latest liquidity pools created on Orca DEX in real time. Select Solana, then select instructions, and under that we need to put where condition to filter for a method name as initialize pool. We also need to specify program address, and this is going to be Orca address as we are getting latest liquidity pools on Orca. We are also filtering transactions on the basis of their success, so we have to set the transaction result success to be true, as many transactions are failing currently on Solana. Now we are going to select attributes we need info about. So we need info on latest liquidity pools, right? So firstly we are going to select block, and under that time and date. By this we are capturing when the pool was created. And then we also need transaction signature to look the transaction on SolScan. Now we are going to select instruction, and under that we are going to select ancestor indexes, caller path, depth, data, external SQL number, internal SQL number, index, and then select accounts. And under accounts we need to select address is writable, and we are also going to select the token info, mint, owner, program ID. We're also going to select the logs. We're going to select now program, and under that account names, then address. We're going to change this query keyword to subscription to make it a WebSocket. Now this API will give us the latest created liquidity pools, Orca. Now moving on to the second query, we're getting data on Orca OHLC for a specific pair. OHLC stands for open, high, low and close. We're going to select Solana and then DEX trade by tokens. And under that we need to set our order by to descending by field. We're going to set the field as block time field. We also need where condition, and in that we are specifying our pair for which we need OHLC by selecting trade, currency, mint address. I'm calculating OHLC for this token. We're also going to set the site currency mint address. I'm going to select the site currency as wrapped Solana. And then we also need to specify DEX program address, Orca address. Now we're going to select our attributes we need info about. Firstly, we are going to set block time field, and we're going to select it as time interval, and it's going to be around 15 seconds. If we want to aggregate data, we use interval argument. Now we're getting volume by summing of trade amount. Now we're getting trade details by selecting trade, and under that amount, currency details, then account address, and then price. We're going to select the same for our site currency. And now we are getting high, low, open and close prices. For highest and lowest prices in that time interval, we are doing maximum and minimum of trade prices respectively. And for open and close, we are taking prices where block slot was minimum and maximum respectively. Because open price is the price from the first trade in the specified block slot, and close price is the price from the last trade in the specified block slot. Firstly, change this query keyword to subscription, and now run this API. You can see the OHLC prices for the token. For watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.